Is another very important example of SDT, that is conversion from binary to decimal number. And before the starting this example, I want to clear you the basic logical formula for calculating the binary to converting the binary to decimal and how it is. Just take a look. For example, this is 1 0 1 1. We have to calculate its decimal value. So how you calculate it, just take the first digit, this is the first digit, multiply with the base value. I hope base value for every binary, decimal, hexa you know. So for binary it is 2 and plus the next digit, so what it will be, 1 into 2 plus 0, it will be 2. So you can say for these two the जो decimal value आएगी that will be 2. Okay, now we have to calculate for this. So previously for 102 base value is 2 and plus that is what will be the next value, that is 1, so it will be 5. So this will be 5. Okay, this will be 5. Fine. Now then 5, again 5 into that is the base value and plus what, the next value is 1. So we'll add the here 1 is equals to what is 11. So for this number, this is again as we calculate the infix to postfix, we know mathematically the decimal value is 1. But how we can do with the help of the SDT, that is your semantic syntax directed translation. So we'll start now. See, these are the that is first I'll make you clear what is these grammar are. The grammar is like, see, that is bit, this is bit, okay, this is list, this is the number. Fine. Now if bit, see, if you just count total number of zeros and 1, okay, there is no conversion. If we just look at once also this thing, okay, just you need count how many total number of 1 in a given expression. Means if this is the example, so how you calculate the total number of 1 and total number of 0. So the rule are very easy, that is if it is 1, if the bit is 1, so what will say, the bit count, this is bit count is 1. Clear? But if it is 0, so what will say, if we have to count the total number of 1, so we'll say 0, bit count is 0. क्यों? क्योंकि we didn't see any 1 over there, so we'll say bit count is 0. Now this is again list is equals to, list goes to bit, so what is the value, that bit count, whatever the bit count will be the list count. Clear? Now for this grammar, that is L goes to L1, that is list and bit. So for this what will be the semantic rule, that is list count plus the bit count. Fine. Now what will be the number, is equals to whatever be the list count from here will be the count for this final 1. So this is normal count for 1. Okay, if it is 0, so what will see, what will we do here for 1, we don't see any 0, we'll count the bit count for this is 0. Now we'll move to our final one, that is conversion of binary to decimal. For this the rule all are same only, just the semantic rules, these the semantic means grammar are same, just the semantic rules are changed, which I explained you what. See, if the bit is equals to 1, so we'll say 1. Clear? If it is 0, we'll say 0. Fine. Okay. Now how we'll calculate the list? If it is bit, so we'll say whatever be the bit's decimal value, 0 or 1, any of them, will say this will be the value for L dot decimal value, list dot decimal value. Now this is the important one, the rule I have told you for converting here will apply, that is if it is both, that is a list followed by the bit, how will we count, that is whatever will be the list value multiply by 2 plus the bit decimal value, and what is the final answer will be whatever be the its value, list value. Okay, so if with the example it will be more clear. Okay, similarly we'll draw the parse tree. Parse tree is very easy for this, means we have four numbers. Okay, we have 4 bits, 1 2 3 4, so that is very clear that this grammar will be used that many time, then only we can, because we need the bits now, bits only will assign the numbers. Hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, if it is 4, so at least 4 times we have to in the grammar, n goes to this L and bits. Now L again goes to lists and bits, again this, and finally that is bit. Hope this parse tree is easy and clear कि why it is used so many times, because we have 4. Okay, दो में अगर यहाँ पे एक और 0 होता तो will again use this list and then we assign. Fine. Now again same will traverse it like this. So here bit, now this thing I don't need कि I have to explain it again. Whatever will be the lexical value will assign at the bottom. Okay, so bit is, firstly it is 1, so its decimal value will be 1. Okay, now whatever will its value will be the value for this grammar. Bit, what will be the value for bit will be the value for list. Fine, so it is 1, so it is also 1. Clear, it is not a reduction, so we'll traverse like this. And I also use the red pen so that you can differentiate it in a better way, don't get confused. So here it is 0. Okay, clear, see this thing here, it is 0, so what will be the its value is 0. Now this is very important कि what will be the value for this total one, this grammar, that is L goes to L dot decimal value and B dot. So for this we'll use this grammar and this rule. So what is the rule? That list dot value into 2. So see, it is 1. Okay, it is 1, so what will be do 1 into 2. ओके, रूल क्या बोलता है? मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 प्लस बिट्स डेसिमल वैल्यू. बिट्स डेसिमल क्या है इसमें? दैट इज बिट्स डेसिमल वैल्यू इज 0. सो द आंसर विल बी 2. So we'll assign this answer to 2 here, decimal value. Clear? Now again same rule, that is for this how we'll do the same way we have done here, that is 2. Okay, for this 2 into 2 and plus here the bits value is 1, so it will be 5. So we'll assign here 5. Now for the final we'll do the same, that is 5 into 2 plus 1 is 11. So this is our answer by using the parse tree with the help of the semantic rules. Hope this is clear to you. Okay.